Air Innovations MH-701BA 17 gallons. Cool Mist Digital by Air Innovations is one of the best sellers among baby humidifiers products. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Ultrasonic Cool Mist technology safely moisturizes the air for up to 96 hours of continuous operation. 5 mist silent settings: low, medium, high, supreme, turbo. High capacity 6.4-liter, 17-gallon water tank provides ideal coverage for bedrooms, baby rooms, offices, and other small to large rooms up to 600 square feet. No maintenance permanent ceramic filter. This top-notch humidifier has a high-efficiency filter that never needs to be replaced. Built-in programmable humidistat automatically monitors and maintains the humidity levels you set. Features on and off fully programmable timer. Dual directional mist nozzle. Point the mist where you want with the 15 inches extension nozzle. Tank and base produces clean moisture. Very easy to refill. The Air Innovations Model 701B Ultrasonic Cool Mist Smart Humidifier is one of the top-rated, longest-running, and most versatile humidifiers available for its size. Key features: 1 7-gallon tank that runs for a full 96 hours. On low, 12 nights of sleep, and is completely silent when running. Powerful enough to add humidity to large and extra-large rooms up to 600 sq.ft. With a programmable built-in humidistat that monitors and maintains the humidity level you set. The entire unit and base are made of antimicrobial plastic to prevent bacteria, mold, and mildew growth, and it comes with a permanent ceramic filter to help trap impurities in your water. Unlike Vicks, Crane and Essex humidifiers, it also features a 15 inches extension nozzle so it can convert from a tabletop unit to a floor humidifier in seconds, and has a small footprint of only 9 inches across by 15 inches high. A 360-degree rotating mist nozzle helps direct the moisture where you want it. Additional features are a built-in handle on the top and bottom of the tank with extra wide opening for easy filling and carrying, as well as a fully programmable timer to turn it on and off when you want it to. Auto safety shut off and audio beep when it runs out of water. Great for kids and babies, this cool mist humidifier also rehydrates your skin, relieves dry eyes, scratchy throats, post-nasal drip, and helps reduce snoring so you sleep better. As a bonus, it also rehydrates wood furniture, cabinets, wood floors, and wooden guitars.